Hello, this is Alex Stripe, and you can hear people talking about football in the background, but this is not what I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about why this does not need to be tightened with an Allen wrench. It doesn't need that. All you got to do is use your fingers, take it off. All you LV 1.5, LV 1.1, and LVR owners and ego owners only need this to be finger tight. You don't need the stupid Allen wrench to tighten it. You don't need this to help that. You don't. You don't need this. This thing comes with this and your Eclipse Allen wrench set to tighten this. It annoys me to see that, and it annoys me because it shouldn't happen. You shouldn't tighten it too tightly. All you need to do with the ego11, which I have, I don't have any other paintball marker except for my 11, and I do this. I just tighten it there until it's a little snug, then I just tighten it a little bit more. There, now it's finger tight. There's nothing you need this for. There's no reason you should need this. Just finger tight is all you need. Thank you.